Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Razer Kraken to PC. Plug the headset into the 3.5mm jack or USB and set it as the default device in Windows sound settings. Open Sound Control Panel, select your Kraken, and confirm levels and enhancements are off for clean audio. Test the microphone with voice recorder and adjust input gain if voice sounds quiet. If using USB, install Synapse for lighting and EQ presets. Make sure you install Razer Synapse when your Kraken model supports it, because Synapse unlocks EQ, mic boosting, and firmware updates that improve compatibility. If Windows fails to detect the headset, download drivers from Razer support and run the installer, then reboot. After restarting, open Synapse, choose your Kraken profile, and tweak mic sensitivity and equalizer to match your voice and game audio preferences for a better experience. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read during breaks between tech tasks, and its long battery life fits long setup sessions perfectly. I find a short chapter is a great reset while drivers install, and the waterproof design survives accidental spills near your desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into problems, try a different USB port or the 3.5mm jack to eliminate hardware faults, and test the Kraken on another device if possible. In Windows, explicitly set the headset as both default playback and default communication device so apps use it consistently. Run the built-in troubleshooter for sound or recording issues, and double-check microphone privacy settings to ensure apps are allowed to access the mic for chat and recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.